Hey, Randy Crossley from Portable Mirror Booth, and today we're going to showcase the PMB-700 Edge, our new and favorite model. Most importantly, we like to point out that it's sleek, it's lightweight, and it's very sharp. You can see that it's got very limited space required. Everything is self-contained. The unit is completely foldable. So now, as you can see, it's on its base. It folds up flat and goes into its own case. So it's easy to transport and get around. If you look at the bottom of the way the base is set up, it just unfolds like a ladder. It's sturdy, super stable, but again, lightweight. I could move it with one finger. That's how simple it is to move this thing around. Another nice feature is the single source of power. So you'll notice down here on the side, we just have one required outlet, or if you needed a extension cord, you would simply plug that directly into the unit. We also have an external USB you could use for a printer or other type of component, as well as an Ethernet connection directly off the side. If you open up the bottom door, you'll notice that everything is self-contained. We have the mini PC in here. Multiple USB connections all going to that mini PC, so everything is, again, clearly marked. So you can see that the flash on the left connects to the camera in the middle, as does the flash on the right. They each have their power. The camera connects to this little mini power strip, again, keeping everything nice and neat. We want to talk about the fact that we also have the dual flashes that are recessed, and we use a bounce flash. This is the first unit that we have set up this way. It creates a crisp, just awesome picture. Perfect lighting. Because the flashes are recessed, you never have to break them down, unlike the other units where you have to take the flash off and put it away each time. So it makes it just, again, a super easy to use product. We love that part too. It's multicolored, so we can change it to individual colors if you just wanted red or green. We also have multiple colors, and it's rotating around, and you can change the speed of that. Big eye catcher. Other than that, it's just ready to go. It's got the same software on it, two-way tempered touchscreen glass. You just hit, let it go. It does its thing. The only thing left to do is smile for the camera.